Today I'm breaking down the 5 wardrobe must-haves every high-achieving woman needs to feel polished, confident, and put together without overthinking it. Let's go. A structured blazer. A well-fitted blazer is a power move. Whether you're heading to a meeting, an event, or just running errands with jeans on, a blazer instantly elevates your entire look. But not all blazers are created equal. So here's what you need to look for. Structured shoulders, which really gives a powerful silhouette. Now, there is a caveat to this. If you are more of an athletic build and have broad shoulders, then you do probably want to stay away from wearing something like this. However, it's important to understand your body type to really be able to identify that. A tailored waist really gives shape instead of the blazer looking so boxy, unless you're going for an oversized look. Versatile colors, black, navy, tan, colors that are going to pretty much pair well with everything. If you struggle with fit, then tailoring is really key. A blazer really slims your body. It's not going to be too tight or too big. It's really going to make you look polished and put together. Also, don't be afraid to experiment with textures, bold colors, powerful colors, things that really bring out your skin tone and really elevate your overall look. The next essential is a versatile power dress. Every woman needs that one dress that really just makes her feel and look unstoppable. A few dresses that you want to have in your wardrobe: a wrap dress. Wrap dresses are universally flattering. They cinch at the waist and they really fit most body types and shapes very well. Shift dresses are really great for straight and narrow body types. It gives a polished look without overdoing it. And then midi dresses work really well for casual or professional settings. So you want to make sure that you have at least one of these 3 types of dresses in your wardrobe. But the key isn't just the type of dress, it's color. Obviously, you're going to have the classics like black, tans, navy, all of the basic colors. But if you really want to stand out, then add a power color. And you want to add a power color that complements your skin tone. A deep red, emerald green, like nice jewel tones that won't add too much impact, but work really well for most skin tones. Quick style tip: find a dress in a luxurious fabric like silk, structured knit, or high quality jersey that really will drape beautifully on your body. Now, before I move on to my next tip, if you really want to build a wardrobe that makes getting dressed effortless, then you want to make sure you click the link in the description and check the comment section for my free guide. This guide is going to walk you through how to put together your signature style essentials so that getting dressed every day feels like light work. Next is elevated basics. Your basics should be anything but basic. We're talking a crisp white button-up shirt. That is classic. It's easy to layer, it's easy to dress up or down, and it goes with pretty much everything. High quality fitted tees, because those stretched out t-shirts really kill the vibe. Absolute no. And tailored trousers, like ditch the yoga pants unless you are actually going to do yoga. More on my thoughts on that later, not for this video. Basics are truly the foundation of a wardrobe because they make mixing and matching things just really seamless and easy. If your basics feel boring, then try adding an elevated cut or maybe even a different texture like a sheen shirt. Not Shein, sheen. More on that later. The next essential, which is my personal favorite, is a statement piece. Now, this is where your personality really shines through, whether it is a bold necklace, a popping shoe, some fun eyeglasses, or jewelry. Statement pieces really are what makes you memorable. So if you love bold accessories, go for an oversized earring. If you prefer color statements, then pick one bold color that you're gonna wear with your look. If you love prints, add either a printed blazer or perhaps a printed scarf to your outfit. Quick style tip: your statement piece should reflect your personality and still feel cohesive with your overall wardrobe. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Now, the next essential is having the right shoes. Oh my goodness, the wrong shoe with the right look still makes the wrong outfit. Here's what every high achieving woman needs in her shoe rotation. A great pair of pumps, black or nude, always versatile, always go with everything. Chic flats. So for the days that you still want to be stylish yet comfortable, you are going to want to go for a nice chic flat. Sleek sneakers. These are perfect for travel, casual meetings, or just when you want a relaxed vibe. My personal favorite sleek sneakers are Golden Goose. They are super stylish. They are made of high quality materials. I've had mine for years and will continue to wear them. They just truly elevate an outfit. When it comes to shoes, think quality over quantity. Cheap shoes don't just wear out fast, they actually look cheap. So make sure that you invest in quality materials when you are purchasing your shoes, because they're going to last you for years to come. These 5 essentials simplify your wardrobe and make it work for you. Now that you know the 5 key essentials that every high achieving woman needs, you might still be thinking, well, I have those, but I still feel like my wardrobe is blah and all over the place. You're gonna wanna watch my next video, the 3 biggest style mistakes holding you back. I break down the most common mistakes that most women are making that's really holding them back from having an effortless wardrobe. It's gonna walk you through everything that you need to start refining your style.